Someone I admired a great deal used to say, "There's no reason you can't eat just as good out in the field as you do when you're at home. You just got to make it happen."
Hey, what's up guys? Thanks for joining us. We're gonna do something a little bit different today. This is an outdoor edition of Culinary Therapy. My son and I are doing a little bit of hunting up in B-Zone, standard photo bomb. Right now we got some venison loin and some potatoes. We're gonna fry this stuff up real quick. It's been raining all day long. We've been out hunting in it. Everybody's wet, everybody's cold, but man, some good hot food's gonna make it all better. A little bacon grease for the potatoes. All right, so the first thing I want to do is get my potatoes on. Just like at home, they take the longest to cook. Okay, we're gonna hit this with a little salt and pepper. Okay, let's get the lid on this, let it cook up. Okay, so while the potatoes are getting going in there, what I want to do is open up this loin, this venison loin, and get some seasoning on it. Delicious, beautiful Colombian blacktail, harvested out of Northern California, 2020. Thanks again, Alexander.
Yep.
All right, again, for the loin, you know how I do it. Simple, little salt, little pepper. Yeah, it's a little chilly out here, son, you're right. But we are out in the Mendocino National Forest.
But I still wear a sleeveless shirt because I'm alpha male.
Only in your mind. Boom, a little bit more time, you're good to go. All right, these potatoes are getting after it now. Want to get these things crispy. Then I'm going to add a little bit more grease, a little bit more bacon grease. We're going to put that seasoned up loin in here with them. Oh yeah. Let's check this out. It's been on for a while. We lost a little bit of the light, but oh yeah. Oh, these are cooking up good. Perfect. Got a little crunchiness on them. A little crispy. Now what we're gonna do, slide these potatoes over and get our pan going for this loin. All right, a little bit more grease. All right, hot grease, seasoned loin. Rocking. All right, let's give this a little flip. What about it, son? You getting hungry?
Yeah.
Let's check this out. Salt and pepper crusted, bacon pan seared venison loin with potatoes. Let's get the lid on those. Okay. Looking good, looking good. You know, when you're camping, you don't always have everything you normally do at the house, but typically you're able to make do. Okay, get a close up on this one. Oh yeah, that's money right there. That's some delicious, perfectly cooked, medium rare venison loin. All right, my man, you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay, boom, there you go. Venison in there. I'm gonna get your potatoes. Say when.
Right there, that's good.
No, that's good.
Yeah, right there.
I say when it's good. All right, my man, dig into that. I'm gonna get mine. Go ahead and get that first bite, Alexander.
I mean, oh, it is amazing.
All right, guys, well, we're in the truck. Kind of cold, still wet and rainy outside. We lost the light, but we were able to get our dinner done. Again, some
Venison loin and potatoes.
Yep, again, some salt and pepper crusted, bacon grease, pan seared, venison loin, some fried potatoes, a little bit of cheese we found in the ice box.
Hot sauce.
Alexander, how did you prepare yours?
Well, I got some potatoes and some venison loin, and I mashed it together. And then I got some cheese, and I was hoping it would melt, but you know, it's not really doing that right now.
I'll tell you what, man, this venison is delicious. It doesn't have to be pan seared. It doesn't have to be bacon grease fried. A little bit of salt and pepper is all venison needs. Delicious, best food in the world. Thanks, guys. You know, we took this on the road. We're out here hunting, camping by default. You can eat the same way at home that you do out in the field. You can eat the same way in the field that you do at home. There's no difference. You just got to take it with you. Things are a little different, I guess. You know, you got to roll with it, but in the end, just make it happen. Thanks for watching Culinary Therapy.